Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video we are going to be recreating this look. For this look I used the So Jaded palette by Kathleen and Colourpop. Such a beautiful palette. I already have my eyelids prepped and my eyebrows done, so let's just jump right into the first shade. So the first shade I'm picking up is Jaded. On the pan, it's kind of like a very light olive green, but as you can see here, it came off a little brown. So I was like, wait, let me switch brushes and see if this is right. And yeah, it is. On the pan, it's green, and then on your lid, it comes off a little brown. So I went along with it and just applied this shade as my transition shade on my crease. And then I picked up the Smith Cosmetics 235 brush and the shade Stoned, and I am applying this color to the outer third of my lid, and I am very lightly just going to swipe that into my crease. I picked up the Morphe M506 brush and I really packed that shade onto my crease. And then once again, I chose the M433 and I'm blending that out. I'm doing the same here on the other lid. I'm really loving this palette, you guys. It's so beautiful, so versatile. You can create hundreds of looks with this. And we all know that Colourpop eyeshadows are like the best right now. They are so easy to blend. The pigment payoff is very, very beautiful, very creamy, and I just absolutely love them. So here with a concealer brush, I am going to cut my crease halfway across the lid. I'm not too worried about it being too perfect right now because I am going to clean it up a little bit more later on. And then I am going to take the M506 brush and I am going to apply the shade Jasper right to the center of my lid. And this is going to work as a transition shade between Stoned and the shade that I am going to apply on the inner third of my lid. This is a very pretty kind of burgundy color. It's kind of like an off, like a very light taupey burgundy on the palette, but when you apply it to your lids it comes off a little bit more burgundy. And then I'm picking up the shade Smoky Quartz with the Morphe M124 brush, and I'm spritzing the brush with a little Max Fix Plus and just really packing this eyeshadow on my inner third. And then using the same brush I am going to apply Jasper once again at the center of the lid and just really blend those shades together. Once again, I am going to pick up the Smith 235 brush and I am going to deepen the outer corner of my eyes with the Stoned shade. And then I am picking up this detail brush, which is the Morphe E36 brush, and I am defining the cut crease just a little bit more and blending it out with the M506 brush. I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in LSD and I'm applying this shade to the waterline and I'm smudging it out a little bit with the Smith 212 brush. And then I'm taking the shade Sapphire with the Morphe E24 and I am packing that shadow on top of the LSD eye pencil. Then I am taking the Morphe M506 brush in the shade Jaded and I am blending that out. Taking the Morphe M213 detail brush and the shade Pearl, I am applying this to the inner corner of my eye as an inner eye highlight. And this is the finished eyeshadow look, you guys. I really love this really cool toned look. It's very beautiful. So now all I'm gonna do is apply my lashes and line my eyes and some mascara. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.